Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to know if you have a bad alternator on Audi or Volkswagen, guys. We have that 1.8 turbo engine here in Audi TT right here, and we have alternator problems. So stay with us, guys. We'll show you how to do that, what you need to check first, okay, and to know what to do to make sure that it's alternator and the signs of a bad alternator as well. So first thing, guys, will be to check the fuse to make sure everything's good there. Always check fuse, because we've seen so many vehicles with replaced alternator and people never even think about checking the fuse. So if you have a Volkswagen, Audi, you open that fuse box. This one, usually this is the alternator. It's pretty big fuse. I can see right now. I think it's 150 amps. It's this one on the left on most vehicles. And if it's burned, that's the reason for you're not charging. So now let me go ahead inside, okay? And I'm going to show you what signs we have inside the vehicle, and to know what to expect. Okay, just to grab the key quick. The car sounds mean, okay, because we have a huge exhaust leak from the flex pipe that we're replacing right now. Okay, let me start it. Check out alternator light, the battery light is on, and engine light. So the first thing that you're gonna see is battery light. Now what we're going to do, we're going to check the voltage. It's constantly dropping, as you can see. Okay, you can see it's constantly dropping, and this is because it's not charging. You can see it's only 11 something. It went up for a little bit. That's because the secondary air pump turned off. And now we're going to check the battery itself. Okay, it's 12.5 probably. And while charging, we should have around 14 volts, plus minus some, but around 14. So we're going to replace the alternator, guys, and show you what exactly needs to be showing and how it's gonna fix the problem. Okay, guys, so that's the alternator right here, a little bit loud, sorry for that. We replaced it with the other one. Let's get a reading now. We should have about 14 or even a little bit more. Yep, 14 volts right there, guys, right on spot. So that definitely fixed our problem, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.